What's up with it, family? In the place, in your face, it's your boy, that boy can cook, back at you, of course, with another delicious recipe. And today, as you seen by the thumbnail, baby, we are making our own chicken ramen noodles. Boiling water, so it's 2 cups per pack. So I got 6 cups of water boiling in there. Let's get these open. And get this out of there. So let's get our noodles in there. There's 1, 2, and 3. Get that out of there. Cook down. Let's say 2 minutes. So 2 minutes. We're gonna come back. We're gonna strain them. We're gonna add us a little sesame seed oil to them so they won't stick together while we're working on the rest of it. So let's just get these cooked and broke down. We'll be back. All right, family, our noodles, that quick, is done and ready to be drained. So let's get them drained. You don't want to overcook them. You don't want them to get mushy. You still want them to keep their integrity and try to keep them whole. Let's go ahead and saute with some cold water. Stop them from cooking. There we go. Yeah, just like that, baby. All right, add us a little sesame seed oil in it, give it some flavor, and also stop them from sticking once they start to dry out. Season or taste our chicken. So we're gonna get us some kosher salt in there. Let's get that mixed up. A little bit more. Chicken bullion powder in there. Maybe about a teaspoon. There we go. So here's our chicken. Simply seasoned. It's gonna help bring out the flavors of all these other ingredients. All right, while our noodles is resting, we got a chicken seasoned. Let's go ahead and make up our sauce. So we got soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, sriracha, hoisin sauce. There we go. Water. Some white vinegar. Give it a mix. Gotta have that sweetness, baby. We got some light brown sugar. We're gonna get this mixed up too. Then from this point, you taste for likeness. Adjust it if you need to. Adding whatever you need or whatever your taste profile is. Just add it to make it right for you. All right, we got that mixed up. Right, and like I say, we're gonna come back, add us some sesame seed oil to our noodles. Make sure they're not sticking. Give it some of that flavor. There we go. We don't need much, but about a teaspoon. So let's just mix it up. As you can see. All right, so I got the trusty wok out. Let's go ahead and get some oil in it. You can use avocado oil. You can use olive oil. You can use whatever oil you choose to. I'm gonna hit it with a little olive oil and a dash of sesame seed oil. There we go. So let's just let this heat up. And as you can see, we got that wok smoking, baby. Let's get that seasoned chicken in now. There we go. Let's just get it broke up, separated, so they all can cook. There we go. All right, as you can see, we got our chicken done. We're gonna go ahead and get this out the wok. our chicken, baby. Right, so we done got our chicken out in the same wok now. Let's go ahead and add us a little bit more olive oil. Get it mixed around. Our carrot matchsticks. Throw in our broccoli florets. If you want to add bell peppers, onions, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, this is the point where you will add it. And I already blanched these, so it's not that long to saute. I cut the matchstick so it's got cooked quicker. And as you can see, everything. As you can see, we got our veggies in there. Go ahead and get that delicious sauce in there. Oh yeah. Listen to that. And as that water evaporates, it's gonna thicken up. We're gonna have us a nice, good sauce for our chicken Ramen noodles. All right, we got those sauteed and sauced up. So let's get our chicken back in there. Get that mixed in there as well. And like I say, we got our heat turned off. Everything is just cooking from the residual heat. There we go. Make sure everything is mixed in. Everything is working. Right now, last but not least, let's get these Ramen noodles in there. I like to keep them whole. There we go. Everything in there. Let's give it a flip. There we go. Yeah, baby. And there we have it. Chicken Ramen noodles, baby. Whoo! All right, family, that is it. That is all. We just made us some delicious chicken ramen noodles, y'all, with our own little spin to it. Get rid of the sauce pack in the package. You don't need that. This is the recipe right here you need. Check us out. Ooh. Chicken Ramen noodles, baby. Yeah. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. I even garnished it with some green onions. Make it that much better. Let's get it all on there. Let's get some broccoli. Let's get some carrots. And of course, the noodles. Oh, that's my chicken. Give me my chicken back. There we go. Got that chicken back. Okay. Subtle sweetness with that kick on the back end from that sriracha sauce. I mean, this is delicious. That's the recipe right here. Make sure you go in the description. Full recipe is in the description. You can make some delicious chicken ramen noodles. All right, family. If you like this video, if you found value in this video, hit the like button. If it's your first, second, third time coming to this channel, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Because as always, this is what we're doing. Yeah. Chicken ramen noodles. I'm gone.